Hi all, this is Dill, back again with another slime review. We are reviewing this green bingsu from King Slime Company. I will say that for these slimes, I did notice from King Slimes that the fullness level, the full level, is different for each slime. So you can see this one is not very full and this one is a little fuller, whereas some of them are completely filled, like this one here is completely full to the top. You can see it there. So that is just for a up-and-coming slime company. That's just something to watch out for in the future, that customers don't love that. Make sure that your slimes are fully de-poofed before you put them into their containers. This one has a really nice scent. It says melon, but it smells very almondy to me. It's nice and stretchy. Now, I definitely do like this slime. It's stretchy, it's crispy, it poofs up nicely, the scent is good. I would definitely recommend this slime.